have a little bit of a special treat for you guys today. I am going to be feeding my birds and introducing each of them to you. I hope I can get them to cooperate, so let's go. First things first, we have to come with tithes and offerings. So I have their favorite treat ready. This is millet. It is a type of grain. Oh, and as you can hear, we already have some excitement. Let's see if we can get a hit. I have one. This little fellow is Samson. Samson is one of my cockatiels. Is it good, buddy? Is it good? Of all of our birds, Samson likes to come sit on my shoulder. We have another taker. It's Izzy. Izzy, move your butt. Izzy is our newest addition to the family. We've only had her a couple of days, and her personality is still just now trying to come out. Like, she's getting more comfortable with being around the other birds, but I love her. She's a good girl, and she doesn't mind being touched, held. And look at him, man. He is tearing this millet up. Come on, Iz. Oh, there she goes. She's nibbling. Oh, sweet girl. There's a few others, so let's see if we can get them to come down and say hello. And there's Delilah. Delilah is the third of our cockatiels. She rounds off the bunch. She is a sweet little girl. Oh! And here come the budgies, the parakeets. The green one is Mango, and the yellow one is Lemon. We call them the Twisted Twins. Sometimes we call them the Powder Puff Twins. They are hilarious. They're always together. And they love to aggravate the last and final bird. Here he comes. Count Dracula has just stepped onto the mat. He's not really Count Dracula. His name's Jedediah. But boy, is he the personality out of the bunch. Here he comes. And that right there is Jedediah. Let's see if we can get him to come a little closer. He's coming. Jedediah is a green-cheeked condor. He is the prankster in our house and by far the biggest personality. He likes to free fly all over, and he loves mirrors and will flock call loudly to himself when he sees his reflection. And there you have it. That's our beautiful flock of birds. They are so sweet, and they add so much joy, so much happiness in my everyday life. See you later. Jet. Jedediah, come back with that millet. He's not gonna share.